So anyways, I'm just making this quick YouTube video because I was considering buying those Rota Slipstream wheels. Seen a Honda Tech, about 12 pounds. Seen a video on YouTube about this guy weighs one, but you know, he just weighs one with the wheel on it, tire on it. It only lets you assume what the tire's weight is. He doesn't give you the tire's weight, so here's some brand new Rota Slipstream wheel. Got the set over there. But anyways, I'm gonna crack this baby open right now. Brand new. I should have finished opening it before I got the video out, but anyways, I work on scales, so I should have brought my wheel to the shop and got super accurate weight reading on one of my scales there, but figured a bathroom scale will be okay. So I'm gonna grab this thing out. Got a package very nice. It's got like a hairnet over it. Make sure it doesn't get damaged. So let's bring this to my house real quick. Hope you guys don't mind waiting. Don't mind the noise. Family's running around. Just had dinner, it was good. You can tell by the burp. Yeah, I was thinking about having it all ready, but all your YouTube videos you guys make are always kind of up and about. Where the heck did my scale go? Maybe it's in the cabinet. There it is. Okay. You know, it's one of these. Check it out. You are beautiful. Why, thank you. I know this wheel is beautiful. So let's set it on the scale real quick. Oh, man, I just scratched my brand new wheels. So, right there, 12.4. You see that? The scale's slightly off. I've seen it with 100 pounds. It's slightly off, so it's hard to say. It might exactly be 12, but you guys see it right there? 12.4. I'm not disappointed. That's within 0.4 of what I thought it would be, so no problem. It's a beautiful wheel. I mean, how could you argue getting one of these? See you guys out on the road.